Let's go. What do you like about this trip?
Water. We couldn't have been a better trip, thank you. Fantastic. Can I be stinky next to the best? Absolute best. We've been stinky together this whole time, so we might as well just...
Okay, it was excellent, and it was largely excellent thanks to the incredible attitude of all the participants, even our guide.
The trip was fantastic. The views were great, the company was better.